Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Saxo Bank, a globally recognized investment bank and online broker known for its professional-grade trading services and strong regulatory standing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Saxo Bank is a globally recognized online trading and investment provider with more than 30 years of experience in the financial markets. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, Saxo Bank operates as a fully licensed Danish investment bank, serving clients in over 160 countries worldwide. The broker is known for its strong regulatory framework, being authorized and supervised by multiple top-tier financial regulators, which adds a high level of trust and credibility. The broker provides access to a broad range of global financial markets, making it suitable for both active traders and long-term investors. Positioned as a more premium brokerage, Saxo is often associated with higher entry requirements compared to many retail brokers, but it is widely respected for its market access, institutional-grade services, and overall professionalism. Saxo Bank provides traders and investors with one of the most comprehensive selections of financial instruments in the industry, all accessible from a single account. On the investment side, clients can trade global stocks from major exchanges, explore thousands of ETFs for diversified exposure, invest in a wide range of bonds, and access professionally managed mutual funds. For more active traders, Saxo offers an extensive array of leveraged and derivative products, including Forex with over 180 currency pairs, CFDs on equities, indices and commodities, as well as futures, listed options, and Forex options, allowing for advanced trading strategies such as hedging and speculation. With more than 70,000 instruments available, Saxo covers virtually every major market worldwide, including emerging markets, commodities, and major global indices. This depth of market access, combined with advanced research tools and real-time data, makes Saxo Bank a versatile platform for both long-term investors and professional traders seeking flexibility and control across global markets. Saxo Bank operates as a fully regulated global financial institution, built on a strong regulatory and compliance foundation that gives clients confidence in the safety of their funds and trading activities. At its core, the broker is a licensed Danish bank, supervised by the Danish Financial Supervisory Authority, including a full banking license that allows it to accept deposits and offer a wide range of financial services. Beyond Denmark, Saxo's various entities are locally regulated by respected authorities around the world, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority, among others, ensuring compliance with regional standards and investor protection rules. On the client protection side, Saxo participates in the Danish Depositor and Investor Guarantee Scheme, which safeguards cash deposits and provides limited coverage for financial instruments if the bank enters resolution or bankruptcy. Saxo also adheres to key global regulatory frameworks, such as MiFID in the EU, requiring firms to act honestly, fairly, and professionally, while enforcing robust anti-money laundering, know your client, and data protection policies, designed to protect clients and maintain compliance across jurisdictions. The broker doesn't typically offer traditional cash welcome bonuses, but it does have a structured loyalty program called Saxo Rewards that benefits active traders and investors. With Saxo Rewards, clients automatically earn reward points for qualifying trades and other activities, such as funding their account, and these points help you upgrade your account tier to access better pricing and service levels. There are 3 main tiers in the program: Classic, Platinum, and VIP, and as you move up, you unlock tighter spreads and pricing, priority customer support, and at the highest level, exclusive access to trading experts and invitations to special events. Saxo calculates points based on trade size, product type, and account activity, and tiered status is maintained on a rolling 12-month basis. giving longer-term traders a clear path to improve conditions the more they engage with the platform. Saxo Bank offers a suite of powerful trading and investing platforms designed to suit a wide range of users, from casual investors to active, professional traders, all accessible with one single account. At the core are the two main platforms, Saxo Investor and Saxo Trader. Saxo Investor is a more user-friendly platform ideal for long-term investors and those who want a simple, intuitive way to invest in assets like stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds, with clear portfolio views and analysis tools available on both web and mobile. Saxo Trader, on the other hand, is built for advanced trading, offering detailed analytics, sophisticated charting, real-time alerts, and access to the full range of tradable products across global markets, whether you're trading Forex, CFDs, futures, options, or more. Within Saxo Trader, there's also a desktop version that supports customizable multi-screen layouts and professional-grade tools for in-depth market analysis and execution. Both platforms are available on web and mobile, and the broker also provides a demo account, so users can try out the features with simulated funds before committing real capital. Additionally, beyond its own platforms, Saxo Bank supports third-party tools to enhance trading and analysis. Clients can use TradingView for advanced charting, multi-charts for backtesting and automated strategies, and OpenAPI for Excel to manage portfolios and execute trades directly. Saxo also offers OpenAPI for custom integrations, letting developers connect their own applications to Saxo's trading engine, all under the same pricing and conditions as the main platforms. Saxo Bank offers a wide range of account types tailored to meet the needs of different traders and investors, all under one single global platform. For most retail clients, the core structure is the individual account, which is divided into three main tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic tier is the entry-level account, requiring no minimum deposit, giving clients full access to Saxo's extensive global markets, research tools, and basic trading conditions. As clients increase their trading activity or account funding, they can qualify for the Platinum tier, which offers tighter spreads, reduced fees, priority support, and access to more advanced research. The VIP tier is Saxo's premium offering designed for high-volume traders and investors, providing the lowest trading costs, dedicated relationship managers, priority execution, and exclusive perks. Beyond their individual accounts, Saxo supports joint accounts for shared investing, corporate accounts for businesses and institutional clients, and professional accounts for experienced traders who meet regulatory criteria for professional status. For clients in the United Kingdom, Saxo also offers tax-efficient structures such as ISA, or individual savings accounts, and SIPP, or self-invested personal pension accounts, allowing clients to combine long-term investing with tax benefits. Saxo Bank also offers a trust account, which allows clients to trade and manage assets held within a trust structure. Using Saxo's global trading and investment services, it provides access to the same wide range of markets and instruments as standard accounts, while requiring the relevant trust documentation during setup. This account type is ideal for individuals or families looking to manage trust assets professionally through a regulated bank-level broker. All live accounts provide access to Saxo's full product range, as well as full platform access to all of their featured platforms. With its tiered account structure, Saxo ensures that clients can scale their trading experience, unlocking better pricing, services, and support as their activity grows. Creating an account with Saxo Bank is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. Next, fill out and submit your personal information, such as your email address, and create a password for your account. You can simply also open a demo account if you wish to practice trading using virtual currency. After you have created your preferred trading account, you will then be redirected to your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the Saxo Trader trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Saxo Trader trading platform. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can switch between all of the brokers' available market instruments, create your own watch lists and favorites lists, and much more. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. Saxo Bank provides a wide variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators for you to customize your chart according to your preferences. Additionally, within the Saxo Trader trading platform, the broker provides a wide variety of news and research content, as well as integrates educational resources to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. Saxo Bank supports secure and straightforward methods for funding and withdrawing funds from your trading account, with a focus on safety and compliance. To deposit funds, clients generally use bank transfers, either local or international, which are free from broker fees and can take from the same day up to a few business days to arrive, depending on the method and currency. Saxo also accepts debit or credit card deposits in most regions for instant funding on subsequent deposits after your first bank transfer, though ISA accounts in the UK must be funded by bank transfers only. When it comes to withdrawing funds, Saxo only allows transfers to a verified bank account in your own name, which helps protect against fraud and ensure compliance with anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. Withdrawals are initiated through the platform and are typically processed the next business day if requested early enough, with funds arriving in your bank account within a few business days depending on the banking network and region. Saxo does not generally support e-wallets or third-party payment services for deposits or withdrawals, and withdrawals to cards are not standard practice, meaning most funds move via bank wire only. This structure is designed to keep your funds secure while offering flexibility across multiple currencies, though clients should always check specific regional availability and any bank-imposed charges that may apply. Saxo Bank offers a robust range of educational resources designed to help traders and investors at every level build their skills and market knowledge. Through its education hub, clients can access platform video guides that walk through how to place orders, manage positions, and analyze markets step by step, making it easier to get comfortable with Saxo's trading environment. The broker also provides online courses and tutorials covering the basics of financial instruments and trading concepts, so beginners can learn at their own pace. Beyond foundational topics, Saxo's educational suite includes risk management content, expert market analysis, regular webinars and live events, as well as additional insights from its in-house research teams, all aimed at helping users sharpen their strategies and make more informed decisions. These resources span videos, articles, interactive courses, and live sessions, giving traders multiple ways to learn and stay up to date with market developments. Saxo Bank also provides a comprehensive news and market analysis hub, designed to keep traders and investors informed on the latest market movements and macro trends. Through its Insights, News and Research section, clients get access to daily market commentary, expert analysis, and research articles covering equities, Forex, bonds, commodities, and macroeconomic themes, helping them stay ahead of key developments across global markets. Saxo also features the Saxo Market Call podcast, where its in-house strategists discuss market views, trading ideas, and forecasts in an easy-to-digest audio format, along with tools like market movers lists and technical trade signals to highlight potential opportunities. All of this content is available directly on the Saxo website or integrated into the platforms, making it easier for users to combine analysis with execution, though it's important to remember that the research is informational and not personalized financial advice. Over the years of operation, Saxo Bank has been constantly recognized in the industry for excellence across its platforms, products, and services, earning a string of prestigious awards that highlight its leadership in online trading and investment. In more recent years, Saxo has received honors such as the Best Forex Trading Application, the Best Trading Platform, and Best Forex Broker from respected organizations like Broker Chooser, as well as awards for Best Low-Cost Broker and recognition as the best broker for experienced investors, showcasing strength in both technology and client experience. Saxo has also been acknowledged for its CFD offering and professional account services by Good Money Guide, and independent research firms have ranked its desktop platform, tools, and VIP client experience at the top of the market. These accolades reflect Saxo's ongoing commitment to innovation, competitive pricing, advanced technology, and quality service across global markets. Overall, Saxo Bank stands out as a premium, well-established global broker and investment bank, with a long track record in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Saxo has grown into a truly international firm with over 1.4 million clients across the globe, reflecting steady growth and strong market trust. One of Saxo's core strengths is its breadth of market access, offering tens of thousands of instruments across stocks, Forex, ETFs, bonds, futures, options, and more, combined with a tiered account structure that can scale with your trading activity and goals. Its platforms and third-party integrations give both beginner investors and seasoned traders advanced tools and flexibility, while its regulatory footprint and bank-level oversight provide security and compliance that many brokers can't match. That said, Saxo's positioning as a premium service provider does mean higher entry requirements, and in some cases, higher costs compared with entry-level brokers, and individual experiences with support and certain processes can vary. As always, it's important to weigh those factors against what you personally need in a broker. However, Saxo Bank is a solid choice for serious traders and investors who value deep market access, strong regulation, and professional-grade tools, especially if you're looking for a long-term home for growing and managing a diversified portfolio. And that is our overview of Saxo Bank. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.